Hello everyone. Today I will introduce the Sky View Factor function. Sky View Factor is commonly used to assess the degree of sky obstruction by buildings within complex urban environments, serving as a key indicator in urban morphology. You can find the Sky View Factor function under the Terrain module. Alternatively, you can directly activate the Sky View Factor function by searching in the toolbox and double-clicking to activate. In the Sky View Factor pop-up, first, add the Digital Elevation Model (DEM) file used for the Sky View Factor analysis. Max radius is the maximum search radius used in the calculation process. Sector number refers to the number of sectors sampled around each pixel during visibility computation. Finally, set the output path, click OK, and wait for the results to generate. Add the generated results to the current project. The image shows the results of the Sky View Factor analysis. That concludes the entire process of Sky View Factor analysis. Thank you for watching.